Hello guys, and we are back with another program to check whether the enter string or number is palindrome or not. So let's start it. Hashtag web to check whether the enter string is palindrome or not. So let's start it. N equal to str input enter string now we will reverse it. We reverse equal to n square bracket 2 column and it's 1 if n equal to or ev then print n is palindrome. Else print n is not a palindrome. So the program is ready and we will check it. Right? Palindrome 1 2 3 4 .py. Enter. We will check it. We will enter string mom and we know that mom is a palindrome. So mom is palindrome. We will check it once again. We will add Harshit or SHIT Harshit. It is not a palindrome, so program is working. Thanks.